How to convert a RAR file to APK in Android. First and foremost thing, you need to make sure that you download RAR file application on your device or simply the RAR app. So for that, you need to open Play Store and search for RAR. You can tap install and download on your device and then tap on open button. After that, you need to simply locate the file where you have got the RAR file. And now so as you can see that we have simply the insert.rar. So this is the RAR file. Simply what you can do is simply check mark this file and then tap on up arrow like icon at top right corner which is beside trash button. Select that and you need to select overwrite without prompt and then tap OK button. After that, you can simply see that we have successfully converted the RAR file to APK in Android. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.